My name's Scarlett Yang, I'm a designer and I work in between fashion, material and digital technologies. Currently I'm working from my home studio in central London. I studied fashion design in Central St Martin's, UAL in London, also design engineering from the Royal College of Art and Imperial College. I have a hybrid practice of physical material design, so that can be fashion or textile or for products, and bridging with digital tech, generative design, which I use 3D software to integrate into this process. I work a lot in response to sustainability, particularly sustainability in the fashion textile industry. So my process is linking to sustainability in terms of I investigate into the materiality of a design object. I think everything starts from the material in terms of how it's been sourced somewhere, it's been treated on the surface or within, and then it's been designed and developed into a product in the end that's been consumed. I've been working with a range of different materials, such as biomaterials, like algae, different types of seaweed extract, and there's quite interesting fibers that comes out of it, which potentially be used in a completely different way. All of these are combined with digital tech in terms of how you cast them, how you 3D print the mold, or I would digitally design a shape which will be used in production. I've also been doing some 3D projects, in particular like digital fashion, digital materials, digital textiles. I've also done it with AR, augmented reality filters, how you can dress yourself digitally. Its link to sustainability would be it absolutely doesn't have any physical material involved. It only exists in the digital realm and it does not create any material waste. I think it's important to think about things in a systemic way. Think of the whole design system or the consumption system rather than say just one small part of it. My process really takes this whole system into consideration. An object that inspires me at the V&A collection is glassware made at around 1 BC in Syria. It has this iridescent glow on the surface, which is not intentional. It was because of the weathering process and how this ancient glassware was buried in the soil. After many, many centuries, it came out having this beautiful iridescence. It's really difficult to make even artificially, so I think that's beautiful. My advice to emerging designers who wants to work with sustainability or work more sustainably is observe your surroundings, really looking for that problem that you're trying to solve. Design is problem solving.